Hello YouTube, hope you guys are doing really awesome. So today we are riding to Udupi and we will be taking the route from Nelamangala towards Hassan, Charmadi Ghats, and from there we'll go to Mangalore. After Mangalore we'll go to Udupi. The reason why we are going to Mangalore is because I have one of my childhood friends, Reginald, and we call him Rex, that was his nickname, and I haven't met him since 2001. That's when we completed our 12th standard. So I'll be meeting him in Mangalore and from there we'll proceed to Udupi. So stick around with me and let's have fun together. So it's 4:13 in the morning and the plan is to get on to the highway as soon as we possibly can, because later on the traffic just starts to pile up. So today I'm riding alone. I have Satish, he will be joining in his car. So as a ride it's going to be solo, and the boys with the big bikes, so that's the Triumph Tiger 800 and the BMW F850 GS, Iru and Yogs. So they will be kind of joining later tonight, or they'll mostly come tomorrow morning. So that's the plan, and I'm hoping that none of the dogs chase me, because at such awkward hours, that's the only thing that scares the most. These dogs, stray dogs, they don't want people messing around in the territory, so they would start chasing. Hope nothing of that sort happens. Let's go. So here we are on nice road at 4:26. Oh, I couldn't sleep. I just slept for an hour last night, and it isn't cold. Surprisingly, I was thinking that it must be a little bit cold because this place is mostly built in the forest region, so I thought it must be might see some fog and stuff, but then there is nothing. It's surprising. So we'll wait here for Satish to join us, and then we'll head on towards Nelamangala route.
Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, no. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you.
Western Ghats is a place wherein you'll fall in love again and again and again. You cannot stop falling in love with Western Ghats. I wish I had a drone. This place is so amazing. Danger. What's down there? Oh, beautiful deep valley. Amazing. I can actually hear the sound of water somewhere down there. I wish I had time to go down there, but we need to go ahead. I need to go.
Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, no. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on you. I know there's something really
We
special.
are in Mangalore, one of the most beautiful coastal cities of India. And Rex's house is another 2 kilometers from here. Satish, I think he was left behind after entering the Hassan highway. He just flew off. And anyways, he was in a car and I kept struggling with the cold and the winter. Well, he just kept going. I think this is the second exit. Got it. And then I met him only after reaching Ojire. I forgot the name, I'm sorry. And after that, I mean, there were twisties and narrow roads. I think he would still take a bit of time to reach. Meanwhile, I'll meet Rex. We haven't seen each other. He was my closest friend in school. 20 damn years. Mangalore looks to be a very peaceful, clean city. Yeah, there's not much of a chaos like Bangalore. Okay, this is the lane I need to take. Oh, thank God the bottom didn't hit. "200 meters, I'll arrive at my destination." Looks, I mean, this place has a nice rustic charm to it. Doesn't look like a concrete jungle the way Bangalore looks. And the cuisine here, the food here is just brilliant. I'm just waiting to try a Mangalore cuisine. I have arrived. यहाँ पर एक किसी मिस्टर ओ टी फर्नांडिस अंकल का बंगलो, मस्त सा बंगलो बना हुआ है। हाँ, नहीं, एक तो कोई विजय अपार्टमेंट है और उसके बाजू। ओके, आजा। कोविड नहीं है तो गले मिल सकता है।
यूट्यूबर बन गया है लग रहा है।
Right, folks, done meeting Rex. Now we are heading to Udupi. We'll check in at the hotel and then take some rest. And then in the evening we'll go to the nearest beach. We'll see how far Malpe beach is from there, the place where we're staying. If it's close by, we'll go there. Otherwise, we'll go to some other beach nearby. Oh, bye-bye, Mangalore. Beautiful city. Very clean. Very calm. Like, there is absolutely no chaos or anything of that sort to complain about. And I love the fact how clean this city is.